Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to avoid anti-flank utilities in Valorant. So today I'll be showing you how to avoid anti-flank utilities in Valorant. And I'm gonna tell you who's the best hero. So first up, the best hero to flank is, of course, Omen. Why Omen? Because Omen has a blind, teleportation, and smoke. So right now we're gonna try it on Chamber. So Chamber only has one anti-flank utility, and that is his trap. As you can see there, his little robot that's spinning around. When you smoke that area, as you can see right now, his anti-flank utility doesn't work. And now we're gonna test it with Cypher. So Cypher, on the other hand, you can use TP to jump over his traps, as you can see right now. And the next agent is we're gonna try is Deadlock. So Deadlock is the easiest one to flank. You just need to walk. Remember this, you just need to walk and don't fire and don't use your utilities. And there you go. You're just gonna walk straight past their here. There you go. You're just gonna walk straight past their anti-flank utilities. So yeah, that's easy. And the other thing is KJ. So as you can see, you cannot use your blind on KJ's robot, but you can smoke the robot once you see or hear the KJ's robot. You can smoke it in that area. As you can see, smoke that. And the alarm bot is in the middle. We put it in the middle. So you just need to teleport somewhere high, or maybe try to teleport over KJ's alarm bot. And the last one, the last sentinel, is Sage. So this is the easiest one to flank on. Just teleport when you're using Omen. This is very easy. Just teleport on the top of the wall. And there you go. So yeah, that's how you avoid anti-flank utilities in Valorant. Hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.